Ban ai jing Sumar bakham baha nagabanta ki khna ki ba khat prasnem shapo ki badon ka jingduna de khotmet khamtam ki bamlat baha ban kran ne kat Shyntur bajutip kum ka cleft lip cleft plate na kalyang ka Ganesh das hospital rengkat ka jinga trelang bat ka mission smile na Guwahati lengba ka skim rashtriya bal swasthya karyakram kila penlong ya ka screening program na do ka live ho tarik kala lengkon bat penkut banta kasngi lai tarik rempang Haba ajing keran kilat pathai Khubor, kakong Dr. A. Lingdo, Medical Superintendent Ganesh Das Hospital, kalaya thu bakajing thmu jong ka program, kalong ban yarap ya kitu ki breu ki baduna ka yo kakon, ban Sumar A. Khlem Jingsiew, nagabanta ban Sumar ya ki khun jong ki, bat ban pelat ya ki breu jong ka jela na kum kini ki jat jingpang. Kumba kalong menta, ki breu ki let ban Sumar ya kane ka jingpang shabar ka jela, bat bun sien ki haban siew hakador ka barambha. Kani ka jing Sumar kalong ka sien ka baar, baka Ganesh Das Hospital, ka penlong ya kani ka program na kabanta ki jing mentoy jong ki breu ki badon kani ka jing pang. Ha kani ka kenti, lawan ban sya screening, kila poi sya ka hinyo pohon riungut, bat ki bala sya Sumar kilong san pusangut. Na kalyang kinong penyat ka Ganesh Das Hospital, ki khot ki wer, ya ki kemi ki kpa balada ki don ki khon ki badon kum kini ki jing pang, ban wan sya khmat, ban Sumar ya ki ha kani ka hospital. Hagani ka singi penkot ladan lang bat senran ki doktor na Ganesh Das Hospital bat ki doktor jong ka Mission Smile Guwahati.
Ngaku ni pediatrician ang Khubor District Early Intervention Center jong Ganesh Das Hospital. Ngaku ban petip chapi. Bagani ka center ka bangi kita yang jingdon kam jong kilong ki banadu dak hal ka prasnem. So hangi kita yang kita ki jingpang ki bangi ong ki 4 days no kita ki diseases bangi ong nanta ki deficiencies ki defects at birth kita kemur ki badan ka jingduna kapor nadu dang khai ki bat kita ki developmental delay bat kita ki disability tika ni ka klep at kalit away na ki kita ki jingduna ka me ka pha tu ikilong nadu dang kha kalong ko way na ki balong common bahan na ki defects at birth ni kita ki jingduna ka department kabangi yo ibun akan di center kabangi lalum ki kat congenital kalong ka congenital heart disease kamu kemudian di sistem hoplong senam lalu kadang kan di yo kan di sistem jong hoplong senam lu nilai ya tai MOU bat di center tambangan migran pangkatan mangile mainly na kan di kelak-kelakan padan so ke bawan baar ya nak kini ki tak di sistem yang berduna ka khadmat kini kelak-kelakan padan sekiwai pada kita yan kini jing kedor kejat tu panggil ya kata ya tai bat kini ka ni phai ki nong function hospital so kini ki kelak-kelakan padan kiba ngiyo kinong pang kibobon kilong na ni na center jong ihi namar pa nado dang kha ngilet ki jaka ba kha kitu ki nurse ki doctors ba Peit ki kilong nado ba ki dang kha ki identify ye kini means ki lab ye kini ki cases so mas lab lawan ya lamangi yang center nang tangi register ye ki ndak la de kata ka por ba ki late for surgery misalum nang ta misa ai ka jing tep chakini ki center kini bana Guwahati ki mission smile buyong ki sawan long ka camp kumugila ong bag long kani ka sin ban reu bat hangi ko Ganesh Das kani ka sin ka ba so baleng ide ikini ki defects at buat kalong kubi kalong i ka burden hindi tang burden jo ka jingpang bat ka ka katai kala way jo kilong kawai kalong ka klep la da piped ne kin kampe tang ba fini tang ka dor shaban re ki don ka problem ka feeding problem ka da ki diru teng ki lelat no pichuk no nomor pare pakadon ka tu ka jingpa han Shyntur and kawai dia nak kata ika jingkran jong ki hadin kilong matron ban kran so la dangin le aku por bob yang gaja yu ki kilong hadin ba kibon ki school drop out ro sakapor ka ban le ki ro kilong ka dadon ka por ya ka lep usually ni le apa ka drill banai ba ika palet ki le hadin chisna chiste so kita ki balong ka burden ya ki khanong kawai ka bang kwa ban pentep ban pensai ki mi pa kalong ba ki dei ban wan sakman la dadon kawai kalong bala dadon tang jong kan la yo i rein dadon ka tu jong palit ka tengam nam yo i re kan kata dei ki hadin ki ka kata ka kumbang la batai ka jingkran jong gi islam ki so le ran ban di school kawai kalong ba ni le ba ndai tang ya ndala ajar ya kata ka dari lai ya kata ka jing shom re na do ba shua ban kunru kawai la ban batai ya ni ai ka jing kan su tho ki kimi kawai ndai tang ki kimi wa di paru namar kan ni kala ban dei ni ki jeans
Already told that it is a multiple problem associated with the child. On the face, there is a cleft in the lip and palate, and sometimes patient has a very minor form, or sometimes it's a very major form. So this patient incidence is 1 in 750 live birth. If you see in a hospital a live birth 750, there is always one cleft patient is there. But somehow these patients are not coming to society because deformity is in the facial side, so it is not acceptable in the society. And finally, patients will stay away from the society, and we are losing a major productive human resources from that point of view. And one thing I want to mention that most of the health policies are regarding they are diverted to the life-saving diseases, fatal diseases like congenital heart diseases, like pediatric emergencies, like pediatric cancers and all these tumors. So in the cleft lip patient never dies. So that's why they are low priority at first. So that's why silently this number of cleft cases build up in the society, and finally we are in a situation here that there is a 3,000, 4,000 number of cleft cases find it out. Usually these are not today's product, this is a pending up because of we do not have the expertise enough in to do this type of cases. However, most of the surgeons are busy with the other diseases, so they do not get the time to treat the cleft also. So cleft need a comprehensive approach, like the pediatric care, surgical care, then after that speech therapy, then after that we need dental care. So lots of care is need in the same roof. So we are fortunate to have the Ganesh hospital doing all these things, and hopefully we will do again another few cases of every year we will come, and we will do a permanent solution for it by building up some training and resources developing in this area, so that local resources can be utilized for treating the cleft children for a permanent solution. So we are looking for that, but it is not going to do in a one day, but it will come up very gradually. So when a child born with a cleft, there is a very much psychological problem in the family. So they have all the shuttered. Everybody is expecting a very good-looking child in their family. So once a cleft children born, their mentality is always down. Then furthermore, most of the child abandoned. So this is another come to the social problem. Then there is already pediatrics man told that there is a difficulty in feeding and all this, and it goes into a malnutrition. So malnutrition is a big problem in India, and specifically in the cleft, because of malnutrition, lots of cleft patients dies in the first year of life. So that's why we need to treat the cleft patients at the due course of time. And furthermore, if the cleft patients survive, there is a difficulty in communications because they cannot speak properly. And without the speaking to the society, without revealing themselves in the society, someone life is not a like life. They are living like in a situation that they are cannot share their things, their feelings, like that. They are not like a human beings at that point of time. So if we can treat the patient early and they can be rebuilt in the society, it's very good. So usually we need 3 or 4 surgeries, not in a single surgery we cannot treat. So initially at the 6 month of age we do the lip repair, and after that at the 1 year of age we do the palate repair. This is the basic 2 surgeries. After that there are some additional surgeries required where the split gum part we need to treat it. We need to put the bone in over there, and we need to make it continue. So after that also there is a very big deformity in the nose, so we have to correct the nose nasal deformity. So besides surgery, after that we have to follow up the children up to the 15 years or 16 years, so that child can speak very nicely. In between sometimes problem may arise. So we have a good teamwork is required, constantly monitoring the child till child go to the adult level. So and in treating the cleft cases up to 18 years for balance surgery, because there is a particular time before which after which there is no improvement of the speech. Cleft palate surgery, which is inside the mouth, that surgery actually requires for the speech development. So once the child is learned wrong way of speaking, and once the cleft is not treated at the right time, then it is a very less chance or no chance of improvement of speech. However, we do the palate surgery even at 35 years also, because some of the patients say that born with a deformity, but we don't want to die with a deformity, sir. Please you repair it. Even if speech is not improved, it doesn't matter. But I don't want to die with a deformity. Because of those kind of requests come from the very poor patients. So we do treat those patients also. However, funding for those patients are not there. And another thing is that for lip, there is no age limit. Even if we treated 78, 80 years old man also with a cleft lip. And in a positive way, when after repair of the lip, the grandfather told me that my the granddaughter, grandchildren, they don't want to come to me and say that it is not our grandfather because his face is completely transformed to a very new look like that. So that means cleft lip can be treated at older age also. But for speech purpose, palate is usually not repaired after 18 years of age. That is as of now.
Good me, the Mamata Singh Mani press conference of Hina Fagis Gang Group Open, can say Ebo Plank and non plank on program. They Kidan Gidi AC managers for Aki district Bangui, Kiki Kam, when lay screening Habokitaka Joki, Bagajoka Pong and Lumiki Bahakata Sing and Sabobia. That enabled the Gabanaya Pembek Lam mission smile.
Kami kini beriu kiba ni ki Khlem kiba ni Sumar kemal anda batai hapo kiman ki blok ki don bet ki doctors kiba julet daman ki Shillong ki bakin screen tiladan semua umum ladan ki mes kila banwan sini support di IC tini gawan sini bre ni la yo ban register mengi tini la ba dalam kedi kes bagi hapan pak nak support machine smile ni ha mana ada bagi habu le bagi wan yang ka kamera ni la balik entah kesong depend on the cases henry lada kita berkidan begini ki cases ni ki bahaya ki bahasa dan ki bah samarjan kila berwan ni apa Ganesh das di IC bikin register dia bikin check dengan doctors kenapa kila benyo yang Sumar bodam henry kini ki cases dia terkum ke bah tip mentah do nyopu south lagi benila screen kidai ki wan man ki district but man ki block ni Kiba ni la juli yele iman Khubor mo kani kamdai tang ka pemerintah dan macam senang mengenale mentau senang mengenale kan mengenang lang kikis minang pendon ini kikan dia atau komite rela dan bemes pada kilaban wan Khubor
Piong nadu kan senang
kiden nadu kali nadu keras
Trial players mau mabatai lailam khamati one rock ke gini program players mau kumno bakadan kajing trailang kajong gani mission smile ka sarkar ka tanang ka koy kakya lingba gani RBS ke program ko na po election akabangin yo ay to kasi Sumar gani Khlem ki khanna ko na jenduna agit khotmat ba gani benta ko gani program le le kita ke badan jingkat Shyntur no nega collect palette ka jingkat aneka katile ba shalor juga dia nata ka ba ar ni sotanat bale na marba lingba ni program ke breve joni hamtam ke bon ki longi long sam ki paduna ki yo ban ai yo ka jing Sumar ka ba Khlem da Jingsiew dengan trepen sayo ka jing batai shu komno nakalian ju kini mission smile ka undan long kam sio nam taga surgery mo nam taga ni jing pod nakalian ju program ro ki yo ta jing Sumar ka ki yo ai ka bai kali ki banya lang but kani ka program anta kani ka scene Nili alang Khlem ki khanna ke bapha amta na East Khasi Hills district kini ni ki district ko south west ko West Khasi Hills East India ko West India garib hoy padha kani ke jinge trei ko lomba ka jing thu hi jo ne program ko lomba kini ki Khlem ki khanna budan ka hapre ka jing hanna ni ka jing dona kam tam ka dei kini jing shitom ka jong ki mon do kadang kha lekin yo ta ka jing ka babit ka babyang ki on ka tin tharang mo ka tin no way to achieve the full potential ka jing long khanna ka mo ki yo ka jing mo bit babyang but kalau ka lat kalintin untuk mikik pan natip mikik pa habadon ki kon kom neki don kajing kuslai ni habadon kom ngani program ka kon ra ek ta kajing shai ka jing ka jongki ta ka ki yo ek ne kajing yaram de kani ki ba sen ka ba ar bingila le ek ne ka program ka ba ai ki jing Sumar ka ban to ek ne ki Khlem khanna ki barang ne jing shitom ha kani ka hospital jumi ha Ganesh das bagi sultana bana kalian ka hospital ro ye le ka bala bangin ai ka ka support ni ta jing kersan ye kini program ha bagi don I doctor counseling belong pediatric surgeon the thing don ki complicated cases ka kum je support jana last year ro ile shimenta lang long ye trailang ba commission smile bat kini ki mo ki ni nong tre jong sarkar ba ka ba ar ka irap ru nak yang hospital begin ai ki jaga thia ai kini khilong ki khanna swak si shoban pot ban la dek pot ru ngila identify ya ko won ka begin bo ikini ki khanna baga ba ar padengi ICU staff menira wat lagi ni ki wanelang ya ki doktor ki nurse ya ki anesthetist ndai nak yang jongiru ya ai lang ta jingkershan lingbar ka bagi ai kini ki staff na ta ka balai ka jingbam ya kini habaki wan haniru long ba undang kam ta Jingsiew de hakan ga siang ga ba ar na perlo hagan nas kidan ko mahniu ko samat ba screen ya kini ki long khanna ba pha na kini ki district ba phe but ne ni kini ko samat per lala ban le ba tak sam samat lala ban pot eke de kita ka phong ga khanna le ga ek bagi thumo na marba kidon kita ga jimpang ga jikshi tom ki bam aila hagan ga sin ban le kata henre kandang ga jimbot ke nagalang ga district kini IC managers ba kino kare jumi na pok RBS ke barkum joru nagalang ga missions mai bangin dang ya ai kata ga agi ga jimbot den ha ka bakin sayo pagpen onlong ya ga ka jing thumo bangin ai ka jing Sumar dina tharai kindia nya ko man yo so ni doktor counseling mai la chutre na rawan sinin ko
Sumar ini guna kendian pada dana. Suami Sumar asin ki orang dan kami suami Sumar nampak lama dia untuk benar mau hab sengat suami kita Sumar nampak sebab guti dan warna tel suami hanya kita dapat Islam betul hasil apa ki orang dan kan Sumar kendian kita kita Islam ini kalau kita betul
Kalau senang
atau kelasnya.
dia apa kalau senang dan long semua
Suami kita Islam nggak Sumar sisi dan suami apa bidang si Islam Sumar Islam apa dan dapat ina dapat Islam ni Sumar kita benar kalian dan kita orang labian tu macam pecengar kita
Kemudian kita ke konkret juga
kau nggak sultan nak bahaya jadi penting apa jual kau iwan singgawan penting apa tipo isi umulang jadi doktor dibatai kini badan kala cingira pun Sumar ya kai ni kelung te permission tuan ki ang ni do de kha ji shan stang dan de kha asasi kini ya kelung ku ni ma di kon khado tu ma jadi doktor amat susi dan kala baniran dan kala pan Sumar pan de hadin tu lepas siang Shyntur doktor telah batai lah batai doktor ni orang kedua sisa jenis jual Kila yarap kini hak Sumar kat ini kat dalam nak Sumar hutan ya Sumar sultanan ukang sengongo belai ma ki dan kila yarap Sumar kenal kopi sultanan ketarung duduk
bagi kunci minta ke konkret juga ilong ila
apa Suai nak keren dah yang iban kon mai tu aman orang ni kiplan orang bay tu mau nak dia orang mai orang keren keren tu mentai lah orang bay lah kenu keren lah baik lah saya betul
Hadin dan ke doktor ke nurse ke tuang kile ya isma ya kan dua bata let hadi ARC kum tama sekali ipna sisnya video pernah seperti sini orang baik nongkong dah kara po emma mana kara hospital cak Sumar yoga kami sisnya sis hadin itu doktor nurse ke bukan orang yang lai ta hadi ARC hadin yang mana sini yuk jingirak ni teh lai register ga hite telang bani teh di bor bagat ya kong jeni nga hite nang por ite tep tiba po hadu ni aping taman hadu ani sini ba pat Sumar kan kon dengan siwil ang ai man snya ko men la ijo I por wato yo akam kebuam ni man yo ikam open Sumar makna ikon ma ante se
te kamu yo mendadak Sumar
te yo jingchem yo nga yo te miat ni tadi ni kona sa te yo bol la ka du yo ta du miat ni